Barbie Boy, a figure so fair, with golden locks of flowing hair, his eyes a shade of crystal blue, a perfect smile, forever true. With slender limbs and flawless skin, he captures hearts with a radiant grin. Dressed in fashion, always on trend, Barbie Boy, a style icon, he'll transcend. His wardrobe is filled with outfit bright, from casual chic to formal night. He struts the runway, a model elite. Graceful and poised, he is hard to beat. But behind the facade of plastic perfection lies a tale of struggle and introspection. In a world that demands conformity, Barbie Boy yearns to break free. Deep inside, his heart does ache to be more than just a doll, a fake. He dreams of adventures, wild pursuits, to shatter expectations, to rechart his roots. In a society blinded by conformity's might, Barbie Boy fights to reclaim his light. He embraces his uniqueness, his authentic self, no longer confined to society's shelves. Barbie Boy, a symbol of courage and strength, a reminder that true beauty transcends beyond length. For it's not in the packaging, but what lies within, that makes a person truly shine and win. So, let's celebrate Barbie Boy's tale, a reminder for us all to prevail, to embrace our quirks, our passions, and joys, for in our individuality we find our true poise.